All right, hi everyone. So this is going to be the third video about polynomial long division. Okay, and so this example for this one is going to be have a remainder at the end. So we wanted to talk about that. So we're going to do the division just like we have been in the last two videos. We're going to set it up and double check that the polynomial is in standard form, which it is. Double check that there's no terms missing, which there's not, because otherwise I'd put a 0 in as a placeholder. Okay, so we're gonna get going on this division here. So something times that x times something gets me to 6x squared. Well, the coefficient of this x is 1, so 6 times 1 gets me to 6, and I need an additional x. Okay, now I'm going to distribute the 6 to both of those terms. Okay, so 6x squared and then plus 6x. I do the subtraction, so negative x minus 6 is negative 7x. I'm bringing down the minus 2, and so now I got to work with that red x and say, okay, um, sorry, pause and brain fart there. I'm taking this red x and saying, okay, what do I get? What do I have to multiply to get to negative 7x? Well, it'd be negative 7. I'm going to do the distribution to both terms. Negative 7x minus 7. I do the division, and I do the subtraction, I mean, and the signs are going to change. So negative 7 plus 7, 0x. Negative 2 plus 7 is a positive 5. Now, there's no more terms over here to bring down, right? So there's nothing there. So how we're going to write this, two things, and then I'll explain what the heck we're talking about. Our answer when we do that division is 6x minus 7, and then since it's a positive, we're going to have 5 over the divisor. Okay. Now, if we think about it in terms of a simple math problem, 7 divided by 3. Well, 3 goes into 7 twice. 2 times 3 is 6. I do the subtraction, I get 1. Well, I have a remainder with no terms to bring down. My answer is 2 and 1/3, or 2.33 repeating. So it's going to be the same thing, just with letters. Okay. So if we take a look, I'll just get rid of that to not confuse us. Okay. So the answer up top plus the remainder over the divisor. So what we're dividing by. Now, what the heck does that mean? Okay. If something, when we divide, doesn't come out, if it comes out with a remainder, all I know is at this point, so -1, it actually comes out with a value. It actually comes out to be 5. Okay. And what that means is at -1, 5, I have a point. Okay. So I'm basically going to have a parabola that goes through that point. Now, that didn't really help us find the other roots. I mean, it did, I guess, um, but the remainder would be 5, and that actually tells us an additional point that kind of guides our picture. Okay, so try the next example, and that would be a remainder as well.